Hey everyone, this is my first YouTube video and I am so excited to share it with you. So today I will show you how to create a simple and elegant Mograph animation in After Effects step by step. So first let's open After Effects. We will start by creating a new project. Next go to composition, create a new composition and set the height to 1080 and click OK. Now let's add a solid background. Go to your layer, new, solid, and I will choose a white background because it looks good with our theme. And next I am going to drag the PNG files. We will use this for animation. I have chosen some handbag PNGs, but you can choose, any images you like. So I will arrange them on the screen and adjust their positions to look good like this. And to give the animation some depth, I will turn these layers into 3D layers by clicking on the 3D box icon. I will also change the view to left panel view so I can adjust the depth properly. Now I will create a null object and also enable 3D for it, and then I will select all PNGs and parent them to the null object so we can control all the animation together from the null like this. And to make this look more realistic, I will add drop shadow to my PNGs. As you can see, this gives the feeling that light is coming from one side. And I will just copy and paste the same drop shadow on other layers as well. Now let's give this back a simple in and out animation. I will open the position property and add some keyframes. And adjust the motion in the speed graph to make it faster and smoother. You can just copy paste my properties, and to make it look even better, I will enable motion blur for all layers. Since I want a luxury brand look, I am adding text with the lavish font. I will choose it and I will position the text properly, make it a 3D layer, parent it to the null object and also enable it motion blur also. Now I will add a flicker animation to the text. Just drag and drop it to your text and remove the other keyframes so that it will not enable that much. Now I will add some small shapes and stars to give it an aesthetic look. I will pick the colors from my images to match the theme. Always you can choose a color palette from websites. Now I will rotate and position the stars, make them 3D and parent them to the null as well. Now I will use the pen tool to create a stroke behind the objects. Now I will add trim paths and give it some animation. And for more depth, I will add Gaussian blur to some elements in the background so that it will give more depth to the animation, like the camera is focusing in and out. And that's it. And this is how our morph animation looks. You can always customize it however you want. try different positions, colors, and animations.